Musipo James no regard jo chapter ali verse Netaloma ne show ayuti to abi to achi Razeba
I do hereby unveil the monolith which is erected in commemoration of the 25th anniversary of the Razeba town Chakhesang Students Union in the presence of our respected leader Deonuku, ex-minister, and all the public leaders. Razeba Town Chakhesang Students Union 25th anniversary theme honoring historical unity, progressing towards harmonious future in commemoration of 25th anniversary of the RTCSU.
Yes, maybe special guest. Photo session head is a shall proceed towards the Government High School for a short breakfast which
I, on my behalf and on behalf of the government of Nagaland, do hereby hoist the flag.
I, in the name of RTCSU, welcome you all to the 25th anniversary session of the Razeba Town Chakhesang Students Union. An organization, no matter how well designed, is only as good as the people who live and work in it. Congratulations to the RTCSU on 25 successful years. Today, as we commemorate the glorious 25 years of RTCSU, we owe our sincere gratitude, first of all, to the pioneers for their visionary ideas, whose dreams birthed this very organization.
Program It is a proud moment to have reached this milestone, and it is all because of the sacrifices and vision of some individuals who have taken the burden of shouldering the responsibility. Therefore, I humbly extend my heartiest welcome to all the pioneers, senior leaders, and former presidents and executives of the Union who led the Union this far.
At the very outset, I give thanks and glory to Almighty God for His enduring care to have reached this momentous 25th anniversary celebration. May I have the humility to greet you in God's name, the Jubilee greetings of peace, as I welcome each one of you to this joyous occasion. Today, we have assembled on this auspicious day to commemorate the humble journey of the modest body traversing through time into a comfortable yet challenging world we live in today. I cannot but express the gratitude the past had contributed. If I have the magic to travel through time and show you how it had been 25 years or so back, I'm sure the memory laid down will bring us down to our knees. The struggles and hardships, yet fun-filled harmony and unity of the past leaders working for the future generations, such as ours has borne fruits today and will continue to blossom until the last of days, because they have sown the seeds of historical unity. And we should never forget what our pioneers had created to foster the bonds of people and not to divide. If we retrospect what the Union has brought out so far, it tremendously transformed a tiny place of settlement called Razeba into a place teeming with educated youngsters having 22 postgraduates, 57 graduates, and many more.
My dear student friends, 이쯤에 chewing, drinking, sina 이쯤에 priorities lamke, sina 이쯤에 optional subjects lake, 이쯤에 honesty, hardworking, 이쯤에 na main subjects lake so. 이 IoT to 이쯤에 especially 이쯤에 안나면서 they have done their work. 이제 이쯤에 아침에 especially 이쯤에 college students 이 IoT to network 우전에 filme liability 네 filme 소커부 네 filme 디만선네 해 아요 network 네 네네비 hardware server 스나 이 especially I want to challenge our college students 이쯤에 하나 붙습니다. In conclusion, let the 25 celebrations, Jubilee celebration, be a year of forgiving. Let us carry the torch of our historical unity, lighting the path towards a harmonious future as we navigate the complexity of our time. May our action reflect the resilience, courage, and unity that define the Naga spirit. Together, hand in hand, let us build a future that honors our past and stand as a testament to the strength of the Naga community. May God bless RTCSU. May God bless Naga Student Federation for unified lean and glories of the Nagas. Good night.
Thank you very much, Honorable Sir. You have inaugurated the bridge of history and the future by this very act of releasing the souvenir.
Today, as the Razeba Town Chakhesang Students Union celebrate this joyous and momentous celebration of the 25 years anniversary, let us not only talk of the achievement
of the Union. But let us also retrospect and think of the failures where we have failed. And let us learn from our failures.
There can be miracles when you believe, though hope is free.
Heartiest congratulations and best wishes to the newly nominated office bearers.
An able and dynamic leader, a successful entrepreneur, a far-sighted politician, and a man whose image means success.
It is truly an honor and a
Giving all glory and honor to our Almighty God for giving us this beautiful day, the day to celebrate the achievements of our past leaders, the achievements of our union, achievements of our unity, and achievements of all that who have sacrificed, the pioneers and the past leaders. I want to congratulate our President, Mr. Vingolu Muvi, and his colleagues for making this beautiful arrangements to celebrate the 25th anniversary of our Razeba Town Chakhesang Students Union. Ukamanupu, Kamazapo, Ukratami, let it be from politics, from social or civil societies, Mori government officer, Tema Somino, Hilahi, U contribution Kasusano, Uko Kizeno, Kuhubasi, Higohi, Kamazapo, Ukamanupupono, Jobusu Ukotsde Sino, Ukotahi, Lucas Halasano, celebrating the Masido. Celebratino Unnegadamo, Vele. Today should be a day to set our visions once again for the next 25 years. In the next 25 years, what will be the condition of this Razeba town? What will be the condition of the students' community? What will be the status of the people engaged in government employment, government office? What will be the status of our economy? What will be the status, the level of our development? How decent, how advanced, how civilized we can be in the next 25 years. Next 50 years Jubilee celebrating Kaduna. Uko development did the with him office did the poverty. Tema living standard, economy, just chenye. Ugo di with Talabada. Midizu, class 1 contractor. Midizu, gazetted officer. Midizu, MA, BA, MA, BSc, MSc, doctor, engineer, Prida. Town, how many beautiful houses can come up? Ugosasa, vision, Kisap Limusato. I may be right, I may be wrong, but to my understanding, Uko Hichehi area, the race of the Chakhesangs have a lot of things to say thank you. Uko, it is not our creation. It is not you and I who have decided, but through Ukamanupu Jehovah, Kukrila, Ukamanupu Jehovah, Maharakivelano. We come together as a community, as a tribe. One barrier is that we have different languages. Ukriniko, the elders, our parents, They know each other's language. Today, Chokri speaking people, they spoke very well, they know very well, they understand Angami, Tenide. But many of them, they cannot understand now. Puma speaking people, they know Tenide. We communicate very comfortably. Today, it is not possible now. Chokris are very, very weak, very stubborn. And I think they don't even try to learn others' language. That is the weaknesses we have. Keza people knows only their language. So there be no communication gap. Rishudaza, vele. Chakhesang, ba hori u area nego advantage no. You know Tenide, you know Chokri, you know Pumai, you know even Keza. You have a bigger advantage that you must understand that. Sometimes, that is truth. Velisiri nekono Chakhesang sibodije nekolano Chakhesang kuzuve Chakhesang keratim vekui kefishem veku kdi neko contributions saba, for which I want to appreciate our area people. Another thing is, Neko, you have a culture, you have a tradition of being hard work. Neko matidi, neko hasri ukdi, susu isusu amhupingo. Hard-working people. Ufene dohiva, upep, herba, ready to work any time, anywhere. Hard-working culture. Nego tigve quality nego yobano, nego matiogdi. He. Chakhesang go. The younger generation can we continue to stand or to identify ourselves or to remain hard work. Utrne ko bieno uko. Urhati matigdi bus uzorleti vemema. In this competitive world, I'm sure even your parents also might be telling you there is no other way besides hard work. Urhati no matig mosa mihutso hogdi ukusmachide sla. Utrne zorle utema. Urhati matiogdi he kibus uzati masaba. Another thing, makakrebayo kudzto uko bahori neko kudztonye neko mhako hope neko mulisri. Your yes is yes, your no is no. And you are found to be more honest. Hikohi, which money cannot buy. Your identity as a hard-working people, your identity as an honest people, these are something which cannot be purchased with money. Uvelu umakinye hikohi ugulik salasano. Tiche muchim pungu kada hezeno ukotha urhatino hekaslasake sigdis pusino nego zikzag sustio. Jedzo taverde competition code there. Teteti very competitive. Business is very competitive. You talk about employment. Backdoor system is no more. Competition code there. Maka Ratsurdori very competitive. Taj Umokizogo Mori Udokishazago no Tio Vele Zihino Tamamet Gunidori training Tivo Gunida Bolvidori training Tivo Gunida Rdzrdzakohobidori Upi Pertin West Shuno Tida NPSC Casadori UPSC Casadori Susubino competition de Sigdela Chakhesang Urhatino Upi Pertino competition ticketo Susutide. Unless you make your mind, you cannot be anybody in the society. But if you want to have something, to be somebody, recognized, then you have to make your decision. I will be Sule Hale Muprumoi Ta Hako government Likabako Nego Katrahi Nego Trejo Bueno Matimo Suba Sigdila Gazeno constituency Kikre Sibari Tig Velago Nekore Apuri Moiri Neko Muleno O Kritami Gozeno O Nagamila O district la O Chakhesang O tribe Hativodo Sigdila Neko Kohobri Ta Utra Rono Jobo Utsukasabi Vorigato Telegori O Pimajeno O Kai Sabeno Open Neko Tojor Pumatide Mota Neko Hakoyolam Hakaveti Gasagola Neko Maza Mo Ukumnupu Mazaho Kumnupu Vajose the secret primitive O area today city Pusakazasio Maza
Tavu the Momo, Peno Ramaha Tavu, let Rubuzuta to non Sibilo, Zampo, Hetopur Mesomon Piano, Ramahano, let Rubuzo, Sasakano, Bulavijo Shalos Nazafono, email Jupilo, Joe, Pona, Tumasiro Koji Hiso, Koe. Amen.
Thank you, elegant participants. Without you, the celebration will be impossible.
Thank you, distinguished guests. You are our sunshine today, and you are the key ingredient.
We wish you all a happy 25th anniversary of the Razeba Town Chakhesang Students Union. Thank you. Those who did not receive their gifts when the name was called during the announcement are requested to guide it from their heart desk.